Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix LexisNexis login issues, account and permission errors step by step clearly. Begin by checking your internet connection to ensure it is stable and functioning properly. Open your web browser and navigate to the LexisNexis login page. Enter your username and password carefully, ensuring there are no typos. If the credentials are correct but still do not work, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password and check your email for reset instructions. After resetting your password, try logging in again with the new credentials. If you still experience issues, ensure that your account is in good standing by contacting your organization's administrator. Confirm with them that your account has not been locked or suspended due to inactivity or policy violations. If you are using a company-generated account, make sure you are adhering to your organization's permissions. You may also want to clear your browser's cache and cookies to eliminate any stored data that might be causing issues. Close your browser and restart your device, then try accessing the LexisNexis site again. If you are still experiencing problems, switch to a different web browser or device to rule out local issues. Check LexisNexis official status page or support channels for any ongoing outages or maintenance events. If login issues persist, contact LexisNexis customer support for further assistance. Prepare to provide them with detailed information about your account and the errors you are encountering. Follow the troubleshooting steps they provide, and keep a record of your conversations for future reference. After resolving the issue, log in to verify that everything is functioning as expected. Regularly update your password and account details to maintain security and prevent future login issues. Finally, consider enabling two-factor authentication for added protection on your LexisNexis account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.